Hi and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to get the trace and the diagonal elements of a matrix in Python. The trace of a matrix is the sum of the diagonal elements and is often used under the hood in machine learning methods. We can use the NumPy library to find the main diagonal of a matrix using the method diagonal. To calculate the trace, we just need to find the sum of the diagonal elements using the function sum. Let's now go to practice. First, we need to import the NumPy library. As an example, we are going to create a 3x3 matrix. To get the diagonal elements of a matrix, we use the function diagonal. To calculate the trace, we can use the method trace from NumPy. Alternatively, we can calculate the trace by find the sum of the diagonal elements. First, we use the method trace to calculate the trace of the matrix. We can also calculate the trace from the sum of the diagonal elements. As you see, we have got the same result using both methods. It is also worth mentioning that we can get a diagonal off from the main diagonal by using the offset parameter. We can get the diagonal 1 above the main diagonal using the argument offset equals 1. We can also get the diagonal 1 below the main diagonal using the argument offset equals -1. With this, we finished the video, where you learned how to get the trace and the diagonal elements of a matrix in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.